beluga. Hey, hey. I don't know what to do, I don't know what to say, so